Namaskar. Myself, Dr. Suprit, welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today date is 13th February. We'll start first with the weather observed during last 24 hours. So, in sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, at isolated places, light rainfall and snowfall is observed. Now we'll see the image shows the maximum temperature recorded during last 24 hours. And it shows that this image shows maximum temperature recorded during past 24 hours. And during past 24 hours, day temperatures has fallen by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade at many places over plains of northwest India and central India, and fallen by about 1 to 2 degrees centigrade at few places over West Bengal. Yesterday, the highest maximum temperature of 37.3 degrees centigrade was reported at Kurnool, which is in Rayalaseema, over the plains of the country. Now, this image shows the maximum temperature departure. So, day temperatures continue to be appreciably above normal to markedly above normal by 3 degrees centigrade to 6 degrees centigrade at many places over central and east India, and also at isolated places over western Himalaya region, northern parts of peninsular India, and then they are above normal. The maximum temperature was above normal by 1 degree centigrade to 3 degrees centigrade at most places over northwest and northeast India. Now we will see the scenario for minimum temperature, and this image shows the minimum temperatures recorded during early morning today. So during past 24 hours, night temperatures has fallen by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over many parts of plains of northwest India and central India, while it was raised by about 1 to 2 degrees centigrade at few places over Bihar and gigantic West Bengal. Also today, the lowest minimum temperature of 4.4 degrees centigrade is reported at Adhampur, which is in Punjab, over the plains of the country. Now we'll see the minimum temperature departure scenario. So night temperatures were markedly above normal by 5.1 degrees centigrade or more at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya, Tripura and gigantic West Bengal. Night temperature was also appreciably above normal by 3.1 degrees centigrade to 5 degrees centigrade over many places over Bihar, at a few places over Gujarat state, and at isolated places over Odisha. And night temperature was also above normal by 1.6 degrees centigrade to 3 degrees centigrade at few places over Madhya Maharashtra, Konkan and Goa, East Uttar Pradesh, and at isolated places over Telangana and Chhattisgarh. Now we'll see the synoptic system. So there is only one system, cyclonic circulation over northeast Assam and neighborhood at 1.5 km above mean sea level. It persists from yesterday. The highlights of today's presentation is that under that influence, isolated heavy rainfall, snowfall likely over Arunachal Pradesh on 13th February. Now we will see the forecast of temperature. So maximum temperature forecast first. So gradual fall in maximum temperature by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade likely over northwest India except Uttar Pradesh, and by 2 to 4 degree centigrade likely over Uttar Pradesh during next 2 days, and then gradual rise is forecasted by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. Then no significant change in maximum temperature likely over west, central and east India during next 2 to 3 days, and a gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. Now minimum temperature forecast. So no significant change in minimum temperatures likely over western Himalayan region during next 3 days, and then gradual rise by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade during subsequent 2 days. Also gradual fall in minimum temperatures by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade likely over northwest India, and by 3 to 4 degrees centigrade likely over east India during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter during subsequent 3 days. Gradual fall in minimum temperatures by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over central India during next 24 hours, and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade thereafter during subsequent 4 days. No significant change in minimum temperatures likely over West India during next 3 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter during subsequent 2 days. No significant change in minimum temperature over remaining parts of the country during next 5 days. So now we will see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1. So cold wave warning is given for day 1 and day 2, that is 13th and 14th for Himachal Pradesh. And then for Arunachal Pradesh, heavy rainfall warning at isolated places is given. Arunachal Pradesh and Assam and Meghalaya, thunderstorm warning is also given for day 1. And dense fog at isolated places is given for sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, which continues for day 2 also. From day 3 to day 7, that is from 15th to 19th, there is no significant weather warning given for any region of our country. That's all for today. For more detailed information, you can log into our website mausam.imd.gov in. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.